Hello friends, so today we're going to make your color wheel, but instead of it just being 6 colors, we're going to make it 12 colors because we want to make it look like a color wheel that has intermediate or tertiary colors. And tertiary colors are those circles on our color wheel. Those are the colors in between the primary and the secondary colors. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna draw a circle with 12 different pizza slices. So not 6 today, but we're gonna draw 12 different slices. You're gonna draw along with me, and then we'll be ready to start painting. So here I have a circle, or excuse me, I have a paper that I'm gonna put a circle on. I'm going to draw the circle. So go ahead. Your name should already be on your paper. We're gonna draw a circle, trace it around this bowl. I'm holding the bowl with my hand, tracing my pencil around, kind of like a car driving around a track. And now I have a circle. Next, you're going to take your ruler at your seat. You are going to draw a vertical line, straight up and down, from the top of your circle to the bottom of your circle. So top corner to the bottom. So I have divided my circle in half. This half of my circle is the same as this half. I'm gonna take my ruler, and instead of going vertical, tall like a pencil, I'm gonna go horizontal across the circle. You want to do this so it goes through the middle of your circle. You don't wanna do it so it's up here. You don't wanna do it so it's down there. You are doing it so it divides your circle in half, kind of like a T or a plus sign, an addition sign. So now I have 4 equal parts to my circle. I hope you're drawing along with me, friends, so that we can work together. Now that I have 4 parts, here where it gets kind of tricky. I want to make sure my pizza has 12 different slices. Today, if all your slices are not the same size, that's okay. You can see this pizza slice is a lot bigger than this one and that one. We're gonna try our best. The way we're gonna do this is using our ruler. We're gonna make 3 pizza slices in each section that we've already drawn. Kind of confusing, but draw along with me. I'm gonna take my ruler. I don't wanna just divide it in half. I wanna divide it in thirds. So I want to make 3 pizza slices in this section of my pizza. So I'm gonna take my ruler, put it through the center. I'm gonna draw from the corner and draw across the pizza. And now I have 1 pizza slice on each side of that section. Same thing. So now I'm gonna do it one more time. Try and make it a very similar size than the one before. From one corner of your circle, draw a line through the center to make another triangle, and there we go. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other sides. I'm gonna try to divide it into thirds. So make a skinny pizza slice. From one corner of the circle, draw through the middle, draw across the circle. Last one. Through the middle, from one corner of the circle, draw across, and there we go. My last one wasn't that straight, but that's okay. We can still work with what we got. The last thing we're going to do before we start painting is we're gonna give every pizza slice a number. We're gonna go 1 through 12. You can start your 1 wherever you want. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Kind of like a clock. So your pizza might look like a clock right now. Once you get to this point, you can stop. Okay, so now that we have numbered our color wheel, we're ready to get started painting. Now these numbers are going to be pretty important because we're going to use them to create our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. You see they connect in a triangle. Our secondary colors, we'll use them so we know where to put them on our color wheel. And then we're gonna mix these little tiny circles. Like I said before, those are called the intermediate colors or the tertiary colors. Their names are red orange, yellow orange, yellow green, blue violet, and red violet. So let's get started painting our color wheel. You can paint along with me or at whatever pace you would like. However, we're all gonna start by painting the primary and secondary colors together. So, we're gonna paint number 2 is going to be red. Go ahead and find your red. Remember, tap your brush into your paint. You don't need a lot of paint. We're gonna paint number 2 red. Awesome job. Now you can rinse out your brush. Remember, swish your brush around your cup on the bottom, wipe it on the side, tap it on your towel. If when you tap or blot it on your towel, you see color coming out of Mr. Brush's hair, you need to wash again. We are now going to paint number 6 yellow. So we'll dip our brush into yellow, paint number 6. We're going to paint number 10 blue. So dip, not a lot of blue. Paint number 10. Swish, wipe, blot. Now I'm ready to paint the secondary colors. So the color that goes between red and yellow, that's a secondary color, is orange. Number 4 is going to be orange. So tap and paint number 4 orange. Number 8 is going to be green. So tap. And number 12 is going to be purple. Tap. All right, now I will show you how to mix the intermediate colors. The way this works is you're gonna mix the 2 pizza slices that are next to each other to create the pizza slice in the middle. You can follow along with me on the board, or you can start by yourself. Whatever works best for you, friends. The last thing I wanted to remind you is that when you're mixing your colors, you can see I'm almost done with my color wheel. When you mix, it's a lot easier to take a little bit of paint into a new area and then to mix the other color with it. Yellow is a lot lighter than green. So when you're mixing something like yellow orange, or yellow green, start with yellow, rinse out your brush, swish, wipe, tap it on the towel, then add just a tiny bit of green. And there you go. Some of your colors might be really similar to the secondary or primary color. Some of them might be a lot different. Whatever you do, I bet it will look awesome.